Hello everybody, my name is Barry Schwartz and this is Search Buzz Video Recap. Today is Friday, December 25th. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas to everybody who may be potentially listening to this on Christmas. I'm actually recording this Thursday night, Thursday afternoon, because I don't think there's going to be much news tomorrow, and tomorrow morning I'm pretty busy, and I wanted to make sure to get this out early enough on Friday based on my weekly schedule. In any event, first up, Google said they're now logging data differently in the Search Console, specifically around impressions and clicks, and it may impact your search analytics reports. Google did an update on their data anomalies page, specifically saying website only, an update to web search log analysis. This change may increase the total number of clicks and impressions. It's unrelated to the other change I'm going to talk about in a minute, and you'll see this new update bar in the Google Search Console Search Analytics report. So keep that in mind. Also, Google on the same day announced that they have a new feature for those verified apps in the Search Console, specifically around showing you app install clicks. So when the app install button shows up in the Google search results, and somebody clicks on that app install button on the mobile results to install your app, it's tracking those clicks. It's not tracking the actual installs, but it's tracking the clicks on that button. And there's a new report in Search Analytics called the Search Appearance Report that will show you the install app button, clicks and impressions on that button. So that's a pretty cool report. And hopefully you can break that down by keyword and so forth. The Google Structured Data Report, the Google Structured Data Report testing tool is now showing AMP-related, accelerated mobile pages related errors. Here's one in French, but basically this translates to please enter the value for the publisher field required by articles, specifically AMP articles. And you could actually go ahead and see that they're actually showing AMP-related errors in the structured data testing tool. Eric Wu spotted that when he was doing a search on his mobile device for some photos, Google showed a listing or results for Google Photos. And with that, Google popped up an app interstitial and download or install ad. And the ad obviously looks like this. And this is specifically something that Google said they do not want to rank well in the mobile results. They call this a bad user experience, and they released back in November 3rd or 2nd the Google App Install Interstitial penalty, where it would consider these pages that have these types of app interstitial ads to be not mobile friendly. But some reason this one actually ranked pretty well for Eric. Google's featured snippet results are potentially almost showing up in real time. A searcher said that they were looking for information about why their Xbox Live service is down. They did a Google search, and out come this feature snippet within 20 minutes of Xbox Live going down. So it's pretty cool that this is now almost real time, and Google's really good at indexing and showing search results in real time. Google's piloting or testing a new feature. Last week we talked about the Google My Business API to update your local listings, but now Google's also testing a way to add schema or rich snippet markup to your website, and Google will use that to actually quickly update your knowledge graph data panel for your business. You can take a look at that. The documents say it's currently in piloting, it's currently testing this, and hopefully this will be released soon to everybody in the near future. For some reason, the Google google.com/NCR, no country redirect, is not working for some. It used to be used by people who are outside the country to go ahead and say, show me results as if I'm in google.com US. And for many, it's actually not working. For some, it is. There are workarounds for this. This might be related to Google's change to their country search filter. This has stopped working in the past, but they brought it back. I asked Google about this several days ago, and Google has not returned my response. They definitely got it, but they did not respond to why this is happening. Obviously, it is the holiday time, so maybe the person they're trying to reach is not available. Google also released their Knowledge Graph Search API last week. It's basically a way to query the Knowledge Graph API for various entities. Eventually, this is going to completely replace the Freebase API. This doesn't actually let you send data or edits to the knowledge graph. It also just lets you query the knowledge graph. Just for those who were talking about Festivus on Wednesday, December 23rd, which is the official day for Festivus, a Seinfeld-related holiday. people are thinking that the Festivus poll, which you see by doing a search for Festivus across the left-hand bar of the Google search results, is something only found on Festivus or in the holiday season. It's actually not. You can search in the summertime and you'll still see that poll as long as you search for Festivus. It's an all year round Easter egg in Google. And finally, it is the holidays, so Google has their holiday logos up. We covered the Hanukkah holidays logos, so here's some of the holidays. This was yesterday. Over here, this is today. You can see a variation of those holiday logos, and this will be tomorrow. And we'll see if they have any more doodles. I'll update them on this blog post as we go. In any event, thanks so much for listening to the Search Buzz video recap. My name again is Barry Schwartz. Today is Friday, December 25th, 24th, and happy and Merry Christmas to everybody. And everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next. I'll probably be doing a video. I'm not sure if I'll be doing a video on New Year's or not, but maybe I'll do it Thursday before. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.